How this?
Yeah, man, this a Marlon. Camille cousin.
But you want money, no? You hear me tell you last time I tell you, I want money, no?
Return. I must have in jail, you know, man. Prison, you know, man. When I like to me in there work and I make my money, you know.
They come and start drink out man money. Yo, you know, say me I do too much talking with you.
Hold on.
No, man, take out everything out of my pocket, man. Jutawa.
First thing, you tell me say 5 bags of cement. You and the next man I take up.
You able to take up 5 for me? 5 for you and 5 to come in.
Brother, 15 bags of cement?
Marlon and Camille. Right through. Like Bonnie and Clyde.
When you gonna make me become a partner in that business?
This poem here. That the money narrated. Yo, me mash up this other you saying, man. Me I tell you someone done piece of money for the couple. For ask for money. My me ain't no talking, my youth. That corruption, brother. Just say if find a man to go and fill me in his space when me not do that now. Let's see. How far can this? Me there a road now, Zin. So basically, me need a back for myself. Doesn't mean me not feel like me on outside, man.
No, sir, no. Said this a Marlon.
Marlon.
Bless up, my boss. Bless up.
So, what you can do?
The theory a puzzle.
Me say if you sell a bag of cement now and then.
Let me teach you something. Every thief is a liar and every liar is a thief.
So cement look like you missing one. Cause the amount of work you do not add up.
Ain't woman have problem, bro. If she come here, she don't rate the dog.
You stressing the youth ago?
Yeah man, I come in because man, I just come from prison and so.
Watch out, man. You can't make police here with cement at night, you know, man. You lock you up, brother.
Brother, you tell me say you would get a vehicle and me you would have do thing. You never know say I could call somebody else.